Have you ever used Classic Load Balancer on AWS?
Yes, I have. It's a useful tool for distributing traffic across multiple EC2 instances.
That's interesting. I've heard that Classic Load Balancer supports TCP or Layer 4, HTTP, and HTTPS. Is that true?
Yes, that's correct. It can redirect requests internally to EC2 instances across availability zones configured with target groups.
How do we create and configure a Classic Load Balancer on AWS?
To create a Classic Load Balancer, we first need to launch EC2 instances. Then, we can configure the load balancer using the AWS Management Console.
What are the basic configurations we need to set up?
We need to provide the name of the load balancer, choose the VPC, and configure listeners by providing the protocol type and port number used for forwarding requests. We also need to assign security groups, configure health checks, and set advanced details like response timeout, interval, unhealthy threshold, and healthy threshold.
That sounds complicated. Is there anything else we need to do?
We also need to add EC2 instances to our load balancer to route requests and set Enable Connection Draining to default to fulfill received requests before taking out or shutting down the instance.
Wow, that's a lot of information. Why is Classic Load Balancer important?
Classic Load Balancer is important because it helps distribute traffic across multiple EC2 instances, ensuring that your application or website is always available and responsive to users.